Why's Celpip? Understanding common test anxiety and how to overcome it. Hello, students. Let's talk about something many of you experience during test preparation. Test anxiety. Feeling nervous before the Celpip exam is normal, but when that nervousness turns into stress, panic, or fear, it can affect your performance, even if you've studied hard. So today, we'll understand what test anxiety is, why it happens, what it looks like, and most importantly, how you can overcome it and do your best on the Celpip test. What is test anxiety? Test anxiety is the feeling of fear, worry, or tension that some people feel before or during a test. In the Celpip exam, you might feel anxious about running out of time, not understanding the question, making grammar mistakes, speaking poorly, forgetting vocabulary. Reminder, these feelings are common. Many test takers feel the same, even native speakers sometimes. Symptoms of test anxiety. Understanding the symptoms of test anxiety. 1. Physically, your body. 2. Mentally, your thoughts. 3. Performance, your actions during the test. Let's break it down. Column 1, physical symptoms. These are changes you feel in your body when you're nervous. Fast heartbeat. Your heart beats quickly because of stress. Sweaty hands. Your palms may sweat due to anxiety. Headache or stomachache. You may feel sick before the test. Shaking or nervous energy. You may feel jittery or shaky. These are natural stress reactions. Taking deep breaths and stretching helps calm them down.
Column 2, mental symptoms. These are the thoughts in your mind caused by fear or pressure. Negative thoughts, thinking, I'm going to fail, or I'm not good enough. What if I fail? This fear question repeats in your head. Blank mind. You suddenly forget everything you studied. Overthinking. You spend too much time worrying about small details.
Column 3, performance symptoms. These affect how you perform in the test, even if you know the answers. Forgetting what to say, you freeze during the speaking part. Speaking too fast, you rush and lose clarity. Making easy mistakes, you miss simple grammar or spelling. Losing focus, you stop paying attention during reading or listening. This table shows that test anxiety is more than just feeling nervous. It affects your body, mind, and test performance. But the good news is, once you understand these signs, you can control them with practice and strategies. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.